But then there's the fit of these headphones. First off, all of these headphones are big head approved, and even if you have a big head and you like to wear hats, all of these headphones will have you covered. However, when it comes to clamping force, the Ultrawear technically have the firmest fit here, whereas the Bose QC Ultra have a looser fit and the Bose QCs have the loosest fit here. But regardless, none of these headphones feel like they're squeezing your head. But then there's the padding on these headphones. All of these headphones have very spacious ear pads. I actually think that these are the most spacious ear pads Sony has ever had on their headphones. So with all of these ear pads, they will have no problem fitting average size ears, and even if you have very large ears or ears that stick out a lot, they will all have you covered. And all of these ear pads have a very minimal surface area coming in contact with your skin. So they all do a good job of staying cooler for longer. The real main fit difference between these headphones is going to come down to their weight. The Sony Ultrawear weigh in at 255 grams, which is below average for a pair of premium ANC headphones. Then there are the Bose QC Ultra, which weigh in at 254 grams, but then there are the Bose QCs, which weigh in at 235 grams, and this 19-gram difference is a huge deal when it's on your head, because with the Bose QCs, these headphones are a lot easier to forget that you have on when you're wearing them at your desk or while in bed, and you notice these shifting around a lot less when you're walking around with them on. So overall, all of these headphones are comfortable to wear and they should fit everyone just fine, even if you have a big head or even if you have large ears. But I do think the Bose QCs are the most comfortable headphones here because they have the loosest fit here and they're also the lightest. Hey Amazon, so that was a clip from my Sony Ultrawear versus Bose QC and Bose QC Ultra headphones full video. Now, if you enjoyed this clip or if you want to learn more about any of these headphones, or if you want to see the active noise cancellation on these headphones in action, then you can always watch the full video.